In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website created with Renderforest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your site from the editor and make it live on the internet, using the built-in publishing tools that Renderforest provides. Start by opening Renderforest in your browser and heading to the homepage. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your work. From the main interface, look for the Projects option in the top navigation. This is your central hub for everything you've created, and it keeps websites, videos, and other assets organized in one place. Inside Projects, switch to the Websites section. This filters your view so you're only seeing website projects, which makes it easier to find the exact site you want to host. Locate the site you're ready to publish. When you see its project card, click Edit. This opens the website builder where you can make final adjustments. Take a moment here to proofread your text, check your images, and glance at the mobile preview if it's available, since most visitors will view your site on their phones. If you've made recent changes, wait a moment for autosave to complete or manually save before moving on. When everything looks good, click Publish in the editor. The Publish button is typically located in the top corner of the Builder interface. Clicking it will bring up the publishing panel. Depending on your plan, you may see options related to the site's public URL, branding, or other features. If you're on a free plan, be aware that some advanced features might be limited, but you can still get your site live quickly. To finalize, confirm Publish in the dialog. Renderforest will process your site and generate a live link. This usually takes a short moment. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation along with your public URL. Open the link in a new tab to verify everything loads correctly. If you don't see changes right away, refresh the page or try an incognito window to bypass caching. It's a good idea to test on mobile as well. From now on, any edits you make in the builder can be republished the same way, and your live site will update. If you plan to connect a custom domain or configure SSL, check your plan and domain settings inside Renderforest after publishing. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Projects, choose Websites, open your site in Edit, click Publish, and confirm to make it live.